What's up, guys? If you're in network marketing, I got a gift for you. This is a free network marketing secrets book by Russell Brunson. What I'm going to do is drop the link. You can grab that. And if you want some additional training, you can hop in my group. And the way you can do that is join the One Funnel Away Challenge. This is going to give you everything you need to grow your downline in network marketing. Whatever your biz op is, you can use sales funnels to grow your business online. And if you get this book, you're going to learn the strategies to stand out. It's 100% free. All you got to do is get this book right here. So what you're going to do is pay shipping and handling. It's going to come to your door. You can also buy this book for your downline. They got an upgrade. You can get 10 copies at a discounted price. And you can also use ClickFunnels to promote on the side of your business. So ClickFunnels affiliates earn from 30 to 40% commissions, and the product is very good. And you can use it in your business. And if you sign your downline up, everyone who signs up is going to give you monthly recurring income. So I highly recommend checking out ClickFunnels. Get the Network Marketing Secrets book. Go ahead and get your account set up. If you want to get started, you can kind of see what is all in this funnel right here. So they have it done for you. You'll get a funnel already pre-made. You can just plug in your information and send it out to your downline. If you aren't capturing leads yet, my suggestion is to get ActiveCampaign or a similar autoresponder. You can start building out some automations, saving yourself some time. And also, I highly recommend leveraging the power of Facebook groups. When you combine Facebook groups with ClickFunnels and automation, you're going to scale to unlimited heights. So you can kind of see my results here just from doing this in my spare time. My focus is going to be on creating content and digital courses and helping other people learn the software. So that's kind of where I'm focused right now. Again, if you want help, you can get the book for free. And if you want to join my group and get all of my funnel templates, all of my training tools that I use every day, and my help going through the One Funnel Away Challenge, you can sign up for that as well. And then I'll invite you to my private Facebook group. I hope you have success. If you have any questions, drop them below. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications when I release a new video. Alright, see you guys out there.